34th Vedaoyu niih 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and my fellow POUMAI friends, thank you one and all for accepting our invitation to be part of this event, to welcome and introduce and celebrate our freshers, to witness some amazing God-gifted talents, and also to introduce and celebrate one another. We value your presence here today, and we also extend our sincere apology for the delay. Thank you so much for your patience. But before we start our program, could I just please invite the tech team to please on the room light for a while. Thank you. Yes, I believe you all have enjoyed the delicious lunch from the Wee House Kitchen. Thank you, Wee House Kitchen, for the delicious lunch. Yeah. So, your presence here indicates your love and your pride to be a fellow POUMAI here in Delhi, the happening city. Now, before we start, let us do a small group activity. If you consider yourself as a proud POUMAI in Delhi, and also a colleague or a friend or a guest of a fellow POUMAI here today in this hall, would you please rise up? Would you please stand up from your seat and give a big round of applause for yourself? Come on, guys! Big round of applause and shout, thank you so much. That is the energy we'd like to do. As you remain standing, hold on. As you remain standing, please greet one another, the one sitting beside you, the one seated at the front and behind you. Please take your time and greet one another. Not just the friends you came together with. Yes? Another round of applause for ourselves. Come on, guys! Woo! That's the energy. Thank you so much. Please take your seats. Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is SOUDUO from POUMAI village. I'm an agriculture student, currently pursuing my PhD in Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IARI, New Delhi. I am pleased and privileged and honored to be one of your co-hosts for this second session. Thank you so much.
I am Hitler from POUMAI, and I have been here Delhi for a long time, but I never see such a beautiful faces, such a handsome faces, but today I do. I got a good privilege to see a beautiful faces, smart, young, and lots of people gathering here around. And so now, as we gather here, we have a lot of things to go, lots of things to do, lots of activities, lots of events to go, which is going to be very, very beautiful, very, very fantastic things to be happen. However, I believe that you all have been boosted up your energy in a long time. Hey, do you boost up energy?
Yes, come on.
Saying all, I don't believe that you had eaten well. But when I look over to eat, all the pots, all the curry pot, rice pot have been gone. But I don't see that you are boosting up energy. I don't hear a voice. Could you please say it once again? Are you ready to begin? Ready? The POUMAI Got Talent 4th seasons 2022 Big Boxer, Mr. SOUDUO and Mr. RADOKU.
Are you all ready to roll? Hope you all enjoy your track. SOUDUO and only beat. You people beat. I walked along the road, the only road that I had ever known. Don't know where it goes, but songs mean I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. Everybody clap your hands. Buddy, you're a boy making big noise, playing in the streets, gonna be a big man someday. You come out on your face, the big disgrace, kicking your cane all over the place, singing we will rock you. Saying we will rock you. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the streets, gonna be a big fan someday. You come out on your face, your big disgrace, kicking your cane all over the place, singing we will rock you. Saying we will rock you. Thank you.
Thank you. That's RADOKU and Mr. SOUDUO. Come on. on, another round of applause for them.